You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more banking comparisons. In this video, we're tackling the HSBC USA versus Zion Bank debate. Which one comes out on top? We'll break down the features of both banks to help you determine the best fit for your specific financial needs. For easy access, you'll find links to both HSBC USA and Zion Bank in the description below. Let's get started. HSBC USA caters to individuals seeking global banking solutions. As a branch of a major international institution, HSBC provides a comprehensive suite of financial products, encompassing checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and diverse investment avenues. A key differentiator for HSBC is its extensive global network, spanning over 55 countries. This widespread reach makes HSBC a compelling choice for frequent international travelers and those conducting business across borders. HSBC also offers Premier Checking and Premier Savings accounts tailored for clients maintaining specific balance requirements. These accounts unlock exclusive perks such as premium interest rates and access to specialized wealth management services. Their 24/7 customer support is another significant advantage, proving particularly valuable for international clients across various time zones. On the other hand, Zion Bank primarily serves the Western United States, concentrating on personal and business banking needs. Zion Bank provides a robust selection of financial products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and mortgages. It stands out as an excellent option for small businesses and entrepreneurs due to its comprehensive suite of business banking services. Furthermore, Zion Bank offers competitive rates on loans and various home financing products. Their highly rated mobile banking app adds another layer of convenience for managing everyday banking tasks. Zion Bank is an ideal choice for customers seeking a regional banking experience with personalized service and a local touch, without the often overwhelming complexity of large multinational banking services. In summary, if your financial needs extend globally and require access to international markets, HSBC USA is the more suitable choice, particularly for frequent travelers and expatriates. Conversely, if you prioritize regional banking with robust business services and low-fee personal banking options, Zion Bank presents a compelling alternative. For a deeper dive, be sure to explore the links in the description below to learn more about both HSBC USA and Zion Bank.